How to create an account on DataCamp. Are you facing issue to create an account on DataCamp? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser on a laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, now just simply search for DataCamp website. Now, click on this website, DataCamp, Data Science Courses, Learn Data and AI. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this interface. On the right side, you'll be able to view options like Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Apple ID. Just select the one according to your preference. For example, if you want to create an account using Google ID, then just simply tap on Google. As soon as you click on Google, you need to write down your registered email and password. After you write down your password, you'll be instantly logged in into your DataCamp account. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to create an account on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.